So right now we are in Seoul Station and I am taking a bus. I mean, not a bus, a train. I'm so hot, you guys. Like, I'm sweating so hard in this rain jacket and something else. But I need to use the bathroom. Well, I really don't. I used the bathroom before, but just in case I do need to. But yeah, I have to find my train, so let's do that. Y'all, I almost missed this train trying to fix my edges. So the train took about 2.5 hours. I just came from work, so I was a little bit tired. But the train was pretty comfortable. It cost about 29,000 won. Hi. So this is Heather, and this is her husband. Hi. So we are now in Daegu. One thing about Korea, there's always a bathroom, no matter where you go. I never had ever stressed for a bathroom. Wow, look at Heather's beautiful home. Look at this, it's so amazing. Look at this is so pretty. Wow, this so wow. Now we are watching Heather's YouTube channel, which I will put in the description box so you can watch too.
It's okay, the horizon is not stable.
It is crooked. Oh my god. Oh, and I put it on time lapse. Okay. Why did I dive like that? Like an ocean. We're eating, this is a salad with ricotta, walnuts. What would you call this? This is like greens, just like spring greens.
Not sure.
It's good. Yeah. It's good greens. And then we have supak isoyo, daegu isoyo, uyu isoyo, kopi isoyo, salad, salado. Salad. Yeah. I don't know what else to say.
Can catch the southern accent and northern accent. Sometimes I can, but it's hard to.
Yeah, the one, like, for some reason the camera has a delay, so I always have to press it and then the one and then, so I'll show you. So we're on our way to go get naengmyeon, which is the ice cold noodles. Is it soba noodles?
What's that?
What is it? Buckwheat noodles? I think it's buckwheat noodles.
I think so.
Buckwheat.
I'm not sure.
I think it's the buckwheat noodles and the ice, and then what else does it have? The radish. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good for hot days. So change of plans because the place is closed. So now we're going to go to downtown and actually get shabu shabu. Yeah. We didn't know the place was closed. Okay. Ready? Okay. You good? Yeah, I'm good. I didn't realize this was kind of cold rain, so now my body is a little cold. So cute. But they always say, yo, you told me don't buy from like, well, not that I'm buying a dog, but they look all sad. I don't like that. Yeah? Yeah. Really?
It wasn't like that.
Oh. Like an art piece, maybe?
야채 2개 맞으세요?
Oh, did I overcook this one? I always miss my
결제 도와드릴게요. 25,800원입니다.
Yeah, dumplings too. Oh, really? Aren't they? When did they do the noodles last? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, after we finish our meal, only. Heather has to go to work, and then I'm gonna go down this street here to just look at some galleries and cafes. So I just wanted to say bye to Heather. Bye. Bye. I really enjoy the rain. I just love the smell of it, the look of it, the sound of it. So I thought this was pretty relaxing, and I had a really good time seeing Heather. She's so sweet. She's really one of the nicest people ever. So yeah, I just had a good time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay awesome, stay positive.